In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to a PowerPoint presentation. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a class lecture, or any kind of presentation, adding notes can be incredibly beneficial. These notes can serve as your verbal script, helping you stay organized and ensuring that you don't overlook any important details. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the application where all the magic happens, allowing you to create, design, and now enhance your presentation with personal commentary and extra details. Once your PowerPoint software is up and running, navigate to the presentation you'd like to enhance with notes. If it's a new presentation, you can start from scratch, and if it's an existing one, just open it from your list of files. After you've accessed your presentation, it's time to focus on the slide you wish to annotate. Click on the specific slide in which you'd like to input additional information. This will activate the entire slide view, giving you full command over its layout and features. Now direct your attention to the bottom section of the PowerPoint interface. There, you'll notice a bar that reads "Click to add notes." It's subtle, but this area is your gateway to inputting all the essential reminders, cues, or text you might want to have handy during your presentation. Once you've located this note section, click on it. This click will create an active space for you to start typing. Here is where the real customization begins. You have the freedom to type anything, from bullet points and full sentences to specific data points or anecdotes you'd like to share with your audience. These notes can be as brief or as detailed as you want, depending on how much guidance you feel you need when presenting. Remember, these notes won't be visible to your audience unless you decide to print them out or share them. They're intended as your personal aid. It's important to mention that as you write, your notes are automatically saved along with the presentation. This means you can jot down your ideas, thoughts, and reminders without worrying about losing them. For optimal use, keep them concise but comprehensive enough so that they clearly remind you of the points you want to cover. Finally, some additional tips. If you have many slides, consider customizing your notes for each individual slide for maximum effectiveness. This approach ensures that you have tailored guidance for different sections of your talk, making your delivery smooth and professional. And there you have it. Adding notes to your PowerPoint presentation is a straightforward yet effective way to enhance your presentation skills. With these steps, you'll be able to present confidently and leave a lasting impression on your audience. Thanks for joining me today, and happy presenting.